Welcome to TrueGrid, Lesson 1, Building Blocks.
In this lesson, we are going to build a single cube block mesh using the control phase. When you launch TrueGrid without a command file, you are in the control phase. There are some commands that you can only execute in the control phase, and we will cover these commands in a later tutorial. In TrueGrid, there are only 3 phases.
The control phase, used to define parameters, the parts phase, used for the creation of parts, and the merge phase, used when we assemble the entire model.
From this menu, we are going to select the Parts option, and this will move us into the Parts phase. This is the Parts menu, and everything on this menu is associated with creating parts. Parts in TrueGrid are different from materials. This is an important distinction if you happen to be building a model from LLNL Dyna or LST Dyna. Now we are going to select the block option, and you will see the block dialog window appear. We are going to create a simple cube block mesh with 10 elements along each edge. We first associate the x-coordinate with the nodal I-index, then the y-coordinate with the nodal j-index, and lastly the z-coordinate with the nodal
k-index.
This association is just for part initialization, and it will quickly evaporate as we manipulate the shape of this block mesh. As we enter each coordinate pair, we must select Enter to accept the pair and to move to the next line. Now select the Execute/Quit option, and TrueGrid will create your part. Note that the part is centered at the origin initially to simplify the projection of the block faces and a sphere at the origin.